Riding posture is critical to cycling. A suitable riding posture can not only make us more comfortable, but also make us safer. So how did our riding posture develop to what it is now? In this article, let's learn the history of bicycle riding posture. Every historical change will be led by a group of outstanding riders. From the 1940s to 1950s, full-stroke bicycle had a high seat and low handlebars. When riding, the whole figure looked like he was curled up on the bicycle, as did other riders. In the 1960s, shock ankle saddle was still high and his legs were not stretched out like modern riders, but the riding posture seemed longer. His body is stretched out on the bicycle, which looks aerodynamic, and other riders tried to imitate his posture. From the late 1960s to the 1970s, Eddie Merckx became a promoter of another posture. His saddle was higher than that of shock ankle and almost as high as that of a modern rider. The posture looks more relaxed, and Merckx is a micro-adjuster who often adjusts the height of the saddle and handlebars. In 1972, the Italian Olympic Committee published the first bike fit based on a group of 20-year-old male professional riders with excellent results. Bike fit is a program that carefully evaluates a rider's physical performance capabilities and systematically adjusts the bike to meet the rider's goals and needs. The final publication summarizing the research results is usually called Ital's Cycling Bible and was published in 1972. It has been an honor for a long time. It advocates a pedaling style with split feet, where the knees almost touch the top too. Many riders are forced to accept it but cannot adapt to it. In the 1980s, because of the propaganda of the legendary French team manager SERA Formula became widely popular, which is the gimmick. Raymond formula measured the span height in centimeters and multiplied by 0.883. Use it to get a suitable saddle height. This bike fit was studied from a static view of the rider. This formula assumes that each person's leg length is in a specific ratio to the length of the back and arms. This formula only fits Gray Lemon's body proportions, so he adopted this posture to make his overall body shape more aerodynamic and win the Tour de France. But this formula does not fit other people. In the 1990s, another innovator, Prat, was one of the first to write helpful medical guidelines for cyclists. One of the books explores the concept of bike fit from a dynamic perspective, which introduces a 3D perspective, considering the front view, observing the rider's posture from the front, making the riding posture become the current comfortable and more universally applicable attitude.